Welcome back to another video. And today we're just going to be doing basic bond calculations. So this is just for all the students who are kind of either coming into their business courses or are already in their business courses, or just anyone who just wants to understand the basic bond calculations. This video is for you. So stay tuned. Alright, so now here we have a basic bond problem. This is just as regular schmegler as you can get. And I have other basic problems I'm going to also record with this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just record everything all at once, and then I'm going to just split it all up. And that way you can just go to those specific videos as needed. So I'll touch on like callable bonds, rising and falling yield bonds, finding the yield to call, and finding the yield to maturity. So if you guys want to also see those videos, link will be down in the description, or I'll also have a playlist somewhere in the corner here, so you guys can have kind of easy access to that. So let's just get straight into this problem. Okay, so before we get started, you're going to need a basic finance calculator. If you don't have one, you can just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download BA Calc. It's a free finance calculator. I know some professors also allow you to use this during class. Some don't, but I know a lot that do. Just so you can save on the cost. College is already expensive, and you'll be paying pretty much about between $50 to $100 for a finance calculator. And also, too, as a reminder, par value is the same as future value, is the same as face value. So don't get it confused. If they ask for either the par, the future, or the face, it's the exact same thing. So the problem reads, Refno Rentals has issued bonds that have a 10% coupon rate, payable semi-annually. The bonds mature in 8 years, have a face value of $1,000, and a yield to maturity of 8.5%. What is the price of the bonds? So first, what I like to do is I like to highlight the basic information in the problem so that I know exactly what I'm looking for, and I know I'm using the right information to find what I'm looking for. Sometimes these problems will have some additional information, but you may not need all of that information to find exactly what you're looking for. So this just helps me keep everything organized and helps me skim through problems easier. So let's just see if we can go through this problem in about 60 seconds or less. So let's just get started. So we know that we have a coupon rate of 10%. And so you do 10% of the face value or the par value or the future value, and you get the payment. So we know that it'd be 10% of 1,000 is 100. But since it's semi-annually, you want to divide that by 2, and you should get $50. Next, we're going to go to the number or time or periods, which is 8 years. So n equals 8 years. And again, since this is semi-annually, the number of those payments, you want to times that by 2, and you should get 16. So next we have the face value / par value / future value. So just put FV for that, and then that equals 1,000. Next we have the interest / yield, which is 8.5%. And again, since this is semi-annually, you want to divide that by 2, and you should get 4.25. So now that we had all of that information, now we're just going to find the price of the bond, aka the present value, and you're just going to next go over to your finance calculator and enter all of this information. So if you never used a finance calculator before, it doesn't matter which order you enter the information in, just as long as you enter the right information. Also, too, you want to enter the number before you click the corresponding function. So, for example, we're going to start from the top of the list. We're going to enter 50. We're going to enter 50 as the payment, 16 as N, 1,000, and then hit FE, 4.25, then hit Y, and then after all of that, you want to hit enter at the top, and then next to that hit compute, and then click the corresponding function you're looking for, which is PV, and then you should get a price of $1,085.80 for the bond. So hopefully that helps. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Um, I like doing stuff like this. I'm a finance major myself, and I like doing things kind of investment slash finance related. Um, if you guys know someone that needs help with this, please share this video with them. It really does do me and them some justice. Hopefully, this was as easy and simple as it can get. So that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to click the other links I will have available for you to go to those other problems, which are pretty much basic problems. I just make it seem much more easier than kind of sounds. I know some of this stuff can be very intimidating, but trust me, once you get the hang of it and once you have someone that can break it down real easy and simple to you, you should have nothing to fear. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.